Alright, here comes the fun part. What I have already done for you is given you an outline of the gnome. And the gnome, all it's doing is giving you where to add your white and where you're going to add your green. So in this situation, you're going to start off with your green. And why we're going to start off with your green, because in your kit you have a coffee filter and some green decor. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your green outline and you can go all the way to the edge. You can follow the line right down to the edge part and up and around the nose. So right here, up and around the nose. Okay, we're not going to worry about the black showing either. And you're going to go all the way around, right to the edge of the cookie. The core is going to come in, and your coffee filter. Okay, and what you're going to do is sprinkle it all on. Your coffee filter will catch everything. Okay, and then anywhere that is missing, okay, sweep off all the little sugar, let it sit and rest, turn on your fan, and add the sugar right back into your container, and that's why you have the coffee filter. Okay, so I'm going to let that sit. What you're going to do is you're going to now outline the hat. This technique I'm going to show you is called wet on wet. And basically, you can follow the outline of the cookie. This one you can either fill in or leave out, up to you. I am going to fill in everything. This is where we're going to need the green and all of white. I don't know why I printed that, but you don't need it. I have to fill it all in. And you're going to take your scribe. And would you get away? Okay, and you're going to flatten it out. Tap, tap, tap. Take your green. And this technique is called wet on wet. And basically you're going to make dots right onto the white, not letting it dry. Okay. And little small dots. And this is called wet on wet. Okay. So once that is going, you can add more green here if you want. You can add a shamrock here if you want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry, and I'll show you the next technique shortly. Okay, so you can let this dry. But in the meantime, because the colors are separated, I'm going to then now take some of the white and outline the nose, just like that. And then you don't have to follow exactly the same. do the outline. Okay. And this part is where I'm going to let it dry before filling it in. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pink and I'm going to squeeze a little dot here and I'm going to create the nose. Okay, let that dry. And then in the meantime, while that is drying, because we have like a white barrier, you can go ahead and fill in the beard. It will hold. So then use your pick and push all the white close as you can. Okay. And you see how it's where we added the piping earlier, and it's making a divot, it's making like a barricade. That's what we want, okay? So go ahead and let it dry again. And like I said, it's best to have a tabletop fan. And I have a Turbo Honeywell fan right now, and this does all my cookies. But if you're always taking my class, I recommend like a little small tabletop fan, and then that will work. So we are almost done with the last part of the gnome, and I will show you how to create the shamrock. Okay, and we're going to add details to the beard, textures to his beard, just by drawing lines going down. Just like that. And then for the shamrock, bring out your green again. Clean your tip. So here, I'm just going to make a dot, and then pull down, like that. You can make it into a heart. So let that dry for a few seconds. And you can leave it as a heart if you want, your choice. See? Isn't he cute? And then you can take, if it's not, can't see it properly, then take your scribe. Add air back. Now that this part is dry, take your green back. And you can add that there, and this there. And it looks like a little tiny clover leaf. So that's it. That's the end of this video.